Hey everyone, welcome to this short tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can invite someone to your Zoom meeting. It is a quick and easy process, so let's get into the video without any further ado. Now to invite someone on your Zoom meetings, you can firstly head over to the My Account option and then head over to the Meetings tab. From here you can click on Personal Room. Now on the personal room, you can see an option for invite link. You can easily copy this link, right mouse key and then click copy, or you can just simply click Ctrl C on your keyboard. This link will be copied. Now if you want to send it, you can simply paste this link. For example, if I paste it on this URL box, the invitation link has been pasted, and just like that you can also send it by pasting the link in any of the options that you want to send. So that's how easily you can invite other members to your Zoom call. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. For more videos, make sure that you like, share and subscribe to the channel. And that will be all for this video, and I'll be back with more